Welcome back to Excel with Ernest. Please like, share, and follow TechieTrain on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, we are still on Excel functions. We are answering questions. We are recapping all that we have learned with the if function and the rest, putting the text function on hold. So, using the if functions, we'll be answering questions using these data sets. So, let's proceed. We'll answer all the questions using this data set. Let's get right to it. So the next questions, we've answered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sixth question states, if clearance type is equals to fast or delay days is equals to 0, display quick clearance, else show slow clearance. So let me expand this one by one. Then I'll copy all this because so bring this down here so that we can have space. Alright, so we can actually have space to work on this place. So let's expand this. Okay, now that we have established this, the next question is, if clearance type is equals to fast or delay, quick clearance or slow clearance. So we are calling it clearance type. If clearance type is equals to fast or delay days is equals to 0. Clearance type, which is here, if it's equals to fast or this is equals to 0, put quick clearance, else slow clearance. So here we'll call it, is it and or? Okay, we are using the or function. So we use if bracket open or I2, that is if clearance type is equals to fast or the delay days, which is H2, is equals to 0. H2 is equals to 0. As if one of these conditions are met, then give me quick clearance. Else give me slow clearance. So if the clearance type is fast or the delay days is equals to 0, then give me quick clearance. If not, give me slow clearance. As long as one of these conditions are met, we'll get quick clearance. So the first condition is clearance type is equals to fast. Here we have it, but the delay days is not equals to 0. But because one of the conditions has been met, then it will automatically run. So we could replicate that here by typing if or use the I3 is equals to fast or the delay days is equals to 0, then give us quick clearance. Or give me slow clearance. So put H2 instead of H3. My mistake. So why is it when the first character is equals to a minus sign? Excel think is a formula. You type 1 plus 1 shows 2. Did I make mistake? So okay, let me put a comma here. Okay, that was where my mistake was. That little comma here caused it to not run. So immediately after each parameter, after giving a condition, make sure you use the comma to separate, to indicate that we are through with giving the command or a function that it should run the next phase of the function. So the comma is to differentiate and help Excel know what we are writing. So here we have slow clearance. As you can see, going through the motion of typing it one by one is a bit of a hassle. So all we just do is highlight, fill that. Here we have slow clearance. That is clearance type is not fast, and delay this is not equals to 0. Here we have quick clearance, fast, and 1. So one of the conditions has been met here. Here 2 of the conditions have been met. Delay this is 0, fast. So 2 conditions met there. Here 1 condition has been met. So as long as one of the conditions has been met, it will automatically run the function. If none has been met, it will give us the else. So moving on to the next question. If cargo type is equals to electronic and delay days is less than 1, sensitive cargo, okay. Else check cargo. So now we are going to check on something. The question says if cargo type is equals to electronic. So here we call it check or cargo check. So here we have that if cargo type is equals to electronic and delay days is less than 1. So let's use our if function here. Rush it. Cargo type electronic, delay days 1. Cargo type there is D2 is equals to electronics and delay days is H2 is less than or equals to 1. Am I right? Yes. Display sensitive cargo less than or equals to 1. Then return sensitive cargo, okay. Else, remember to put your comma. Else check cargo. Remember to put your comma here as well after your function has been indicated. So yeah, correct the typo. So here we have sensitive cargo, okay. Now all we need to do is fill that. So here we have check cargo because both conditions have not been met. Here is electronics and delay days is not less than or equals to 1. So both conditions have not been met, and that's why we have check cargo. Here both conditions have been met, electronic and 1. Here the same thing. So out of all of it, only 2 are okay. The rest, the cargo is to be inspected for further damages. And that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll be answering more questions using this same data set. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.